This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, June 28th, 2019. So here I got another AC call I'm gonna go do. So I'm not sure what's going on with this one. We'll find out when we get there. Friday afternoon.
Continue 1/2 mile to the end of the street, then turn left.
How's like a bad capacitor? Didn't want to. There's a bad capacitor. I could hear it wanting to start. It's in the mire. Sounds like a bad capacitor. We'll fix that. Really should have these things cut back, these bushes.
I can tell them to.
Yeah. I think it's just a capacitor because I can hear it wanting to start, but it doesn't start. So that's an easy fix if that's all it is.
Do they still put Freon in them?
Yeah, you still, yeah.
Oh, someone said they don't do Freon anymore.
Yeah, it's just different kinds now.
All the mold on it can't be, or the moss on it, is that bad?
Yeah, we'll have to do something about that too. Well, what happens is that you leave that in there, it turns to dirt and it starts rotting. Next thing you know, you're gonna need a new unit. You know what I mean?
They're expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll ask the landscapers to.
Yeah, I would tell them to cut it back.
Yeah.
Oh, definitely.
They're in the process of doing that, so maybe I'm next on the list. I don't know.
Wow. Got a mice nest in here, real bad.
What?
A mouse nest.
In my.
Yeah, you want to take a look?
No. Well, will a mouse come out?
Hope not.
I like mice though. They're cute.
Look at it.
Where is it?
Right there.
This?
Yeah, that's all a nest. That's a nest. That don't belong in there.
Oh my God!
Yeah. This is a problem right here, this capacitor. See how it's puffy on the top?
Yeah.
That's the problem, but that mouse nest is going to come out of there too.
Wow!
Bad, huh?
That's cool though.
What, the mouse nest?
Yeah.
It's inside now, so. This. Yeah, look, they've been chewing on it. Not good. Hey guys, I got the capacitor was bad. You can see it's puffed. And there's a couple of wires that were chewed on from the mice. I'm gonna take this cover right off of here and clean the bottom. Look at all that debris built up. I mean, that's kind of nasty. I got it disconnected there. She got it off inside there. That looks okay now. Put the new capacitor in there. We'll pull this top off and give it the old how you doing. Alright guys, I took that thing off of there. I took it all apart. I gave it a dry cleaning with the brush. I gave it a dry cleaning and we'll put it back together. We'll be able to hit it with the hose. Scraped all the inside out, all the dirt that was in there, well, some of it. Put foil tape with a hole where they were coming in. And I had to put some more connectors. You want to go turn it on? We'll check the charge.
Yep. Go on.
Turn it on and I'll check the charge. New capacitor. I did give it a dry clean with my brush. I'll be able to hit it with a hose too if we had to. It's a Linux. So we're gonna go turn it on and we'll check it. It should fire right up. He's walking my dog around the house. And we'll check it. Nice and cool. Very fine. Not a complaint with it. Cooling the house off at all. It was just that it wasn't running all of a sudden because of the capacitor.